everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how to fix Mojo Launcher overheating phone. So let's start with the first step, which is to check the overheating alert. So pull down your notification shade and look for the device's overheating warning tied to Mojo Launcher. So if your phone feels hot before alert appears, stop using it for 5 minutes to prevent thermal throttling. Next step is open Mojo Launcher application info. So go to settings, tap on apps, find the Mojo Launcher and tap it view, battery, and background usage details. So note that the background usage percentage, if it's higher than the screen on usage, that's the main culprit. Next step is enable battery optimization. So tap the battery, then choose optimized. So Android limits how often Mojo Launcher runs in the background. Next step is restrict the unnecessary permissions. So go to the permissions and turn off location and microphone if Mojo Launcher doesn't need them. So keep storage and notifications on. Disabling those can break the launcher's core features. Lastly is monitor the device care stats. So check your phone's device care or the battery settings. After a few hours, CPU temp should drop below 40°C and battery drain should improve. So if overheating continues, clear the Mojo Launcher cache or consider switching to a lighter launcher like Lawn Chair or Nova. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!